How do you deploy these talents to combine with the AI that work together?
創新咯，創造咯，用 AI 或者新一代嘅同事，因為佢哋會比舊一代同事對於 IT 嘅理解或者接受度會高，一定要創新，打出咗一個新嘅 business 模式，咁呢度嚟講就係、我都好 open 俾好多部門嘅同事咧，佢哋自己去一個想法，自己主導喺佢嘅部門或者佢嘅 trade 每個 marketing 嘅部門，自己走出一個IT 或者 new technology 嘅應用嘅一個場景，所以或者一搭或者譬如CK 或者嘅同事都見到，其實好多時去商談 AI 呢個發展咧，唔係我第一個，我只係最後一個被知會，通知我有一個 project 需要投入啦，需要簽 contract，所以喺呢方面嚟講，我會都接受一個幾 open 嘅一個模式，就係、每個部門佢哋如果有個新諗法，需要應用 AI， 我係會支持嘅。咁當然喺過程之中，我都會同佢即係傾翻呢個部門嘅一啲設定啊或者想法。希望呢個做法或者軟性啲嘅做法，因為個 AI 概念係嚟自員工嘅提出，唔係喺翻 management 或者好強硬地 AI 去取代一個情況。咁當然就係去創新或者打造更加多嘅一啲 marketing product， 就無論邊個崗位，站喺我自己嘅 management 崗位或者唔同 marketing 嘅崗位咧，都會共同大家都係有 KPI 嘅。所以呢個就係只係如何去將 AI 嘅對公司嘅衝擊，或者利用 AI 去提升公司咧，係現階段一個做法啦。
Understand. So you will be putting AI tie in with the human talents plus the KPI combined together, and you will set this as a new KRA for all your staff, so that they can achieve this particular objective that you have set for them.
係對啦。
Okay, understand. Good.